I'm going to make this short and sweet. I'm replacing the HydroBooster on my 1995 G30 motorhome. In my case, I'm also replacing my brake reservoir, so I decided to do this with part of the mechanism for the HydroBooster still intact on the car, which is much easier. Most guys in their videos take the whole thing off from the brake pedal. You don't need to do that. If you have enough room, as you can see I have here, you can easily remove that piece, because when installing, all you need to do is hook the front part of the booster back to that little hook there and put your bolts back in. Very easy. This is what it is right here after it's out. All I'm doing is going inside and removing that gasket. And as I was saying, all I'm doing is going in here, removing the gasket that's inside, the O-ring, replacing that, cleaning that, putting everything back together, reinstalling the HydroBooster, the front end of it, and replacing my reservoir. And that's it. That's all you need to do when doing a HydroBooster. I don't see the point in taking it out from inside the car, going through the brake pedal, unless you don't have enough room to maneuver under your hood to get that part out when you remove the 10 millimeter bolts. I don't see the point in removing it from the inside, from the brake pedal, when after you remove the 10 millimeter bolts, it's this easy to do. So I hope this helps you guys. Anyone that's doing this job, as you can see, I have plenty of room here to remove the front part of the booster. So if you ever have to do this, consider doing it this way instead of going through the trouble of taking it off from the inside and disconnecting the entire booster. Hope this helped. This is what it looks like after the front part of the HydroBooster was reinstalled. Like I said, you don't need to remove the entire HydroBooster in order to do this. All I did was a simple rebuild, changing 2 gaskets. Well, this is the finished product. Again, you do not have to remove the entire brake HydroBooster in order to replace the front seals or the master cylinder. This is my entire unit. This is the room I had to work with. Okay, if you have enough room to pull out the front part of that HydroBooster, you do not need to remove it from the vehicle or disconnect it from the brake pedal. I hope this helps everyone. Again, most of the videos that I saw online or on YouTube were very helpful, and it got me to this point where I realized that you do not have to remove the entire booster in order to rebuild the front part when replacing the seals or replacing the master cylinder. I hope this helps everyone, and if you have to do this job, trust me, it's really simple and much easier to do it with the rear part of the HydroBooster remaining in the car.